Hi, I'm Keeley, also known as Kelly.
And I'm Fili, also known as Alex,
Welcome to our corner of the Shire,
where we will show you how to bring Middle Earth
into your daily life to keep you
a happy hobbit.
Hello, happy Hobbitlings. Daggorlad here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a toy with some cat pipeweed.
Is this from Farmer Maggot?
Yes, I got it fresh from Farmer Maggot's summer crop. It's a nice East farthing blend, and it contains some catnip and as well as the pipeweed, of course.
It's kind of a little known fact that Farmer Maggot does grow cat pipeweed.
He does.
But it's, something he's starting out, he's trying it. There's a lot of hobbits who have cats to keep the rats away from their barns and stuff, but,
And they saw their hobbit owners, smoking on some of the pipeweed, and they, it's become a favorite hobby of cats as well to also enjoy in the pipeweed. So we're going to make a toy with it. You're going to need some old cloth. You can use an old sock, t-shirt, or as you can see today, I have an old dog toy that I cut up. You're going to need some twine, and at least 3 feet long so you don't get those cat claws coming at you. And then you're gonna, of course, want your cat pipeweed, which may or may not be catnip.
Maybe.
And then you can also add some flair with things like feathers, or other fun items that you might find around Farmer Maggot's farm. So we got the cloth here. I just cut it up nice and good. Nice base here, and then we'll get some of the pipeweed. There it is.
What's it smell like?
It smells like the Shire at sunrise in a cool autumn morning, and with a hint of a Gandalf fart. Just a hint.
It's always good to have a hint of Gandalf art.
Whoa!
That's a good amount. Yeah, you want, about a golf ball size to make a nice little,
Plus to be able to make sure
pile
that
for
the
your
scent
cat.
permeates through the cloth.
Exactly, because this is a pretty big cloth I got here. Maybe I could do a little bit more
And if
even.
you have something like pantyhose or cheesecloth,
cheesecloth?
would work as well. But we're just using what's on hand.
Maybe I could do even more.
Whoa.
There you are.
You might be able to hear we have put the soon-to-be consumers in the barn so that they aren't spoiled in what's happening.
So
You might be able to hear them asking about it.
I got my pile of pipeweed here, and then you can just roll it up and twist it so it's a nice little ball right there, you see. And then we'll get the twine. Put this down here, and we can wrap it around.
How long have you
Keep it
been,
secure.
giving cats catnip pipeweed?
Well, the pipeweed was only recently legalized in the West Farthing here, so not very long.
Does Aragorn have cats?
The tall folk have put a ban on it for a while. Aragorn, I believe, is more of a warg, Oliphant type of guy, as far as I hear.
Okay.
From when I stalk him. It's just typically what I see. So
That's
there
a
you go.
nice
It's nice
little
and tight.
bundle.
Might wrap it around once or twice more, because those cat claws can just tear through stuff sometimes. Alright, now I got my cat pipeweed all wrapped up in the cloth. I'm just going to add a little feather for flair here. An extra little thing for them to play with.
The great thing about this,
There we go.
is this is all stuff, you know, you have around the house.
Now you got your cat pipeweed ready to go. So, should we get these cats out now?
I think so. Here comes the moment.
Alright, we're going to let the cats out now. Who let the cats out?
Meow, 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 meow,
Meow. Who let the cats out? Meow, 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 meow. This is a wild cat I've tamed. He comes from the Barrow Downs, and I use my ranger skills to tame him. And this guy over here, I got from a boat. I think he came from Numenor, because he's a very old man, but he looks young.
Oh, I'm making you feel wild.
Woo! It's a hit.
Weed aficionado around these
Dun,
parts.
dun, 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 dun.
That's the Numenorian. That ranger blood.
He's got experience, man. He's got experience. This one can be a bit wild sometimes. You win.
Going wild.
He's used to fighting skeletons, the barrow rights.
Delta was a lot harder to tame than wild.
Now, just a regular old laundry line like this can make a toy even more exciting. Do you think he's trying to get to the pipeweed?
I think so. Delta loves the pipeweed.
Connie is not so much into it.
He's gonna rip it open.
It is.
Get to all
All
the
goodies.
catweed.
That's why you need the cloth to protect the pipeweed.
Also just eat it up in a second.
Dude, he totally knows it's in there. He's going wild. He's going rogue.
He loves it. Look at those claws.
Meow, meow, meow.
Daggorlad?
Meow.
Daggorlad. So Daggorlad, what did Aragorn have for breakfast today?
He had eggs with a side of roasted elk.
I think this stuff's starting to make me feel a bit funny.
B-
I'm gonna care what the episode's about.
BTS. BTS. Craft services. Craft services. BTS man,
Mm-hmm.
Gimli himself. Listen to this KM Rice, author Keeley, enslaving in her Tolkien shirt, sweatpants, and Crocs and bagel, asking for Daggorlad and Gimli to model her scarves! What do you have to say about that? No! Did he go to the bathroom today?
He's a bit backed up today. You know, he wasn't, you know, he was kind of having some cramping. He was, you know, wasn't feeling too good.
That's a bummer.
So I had to go and get some King's foil to help out with that.
Oh, if you do this at home, kids, please be careful. What did he think when you came out of nowhere while he was going to the bathroom and gave him
he did
King's?
not see me, you know, the King's foil just appeared. You know, I think he thought it was from Arwen because he smiled to himself afterward. That happens often.
In Middle Earth? Or in Earth? KM, you can't get away this easy. KM! KM, stop! KM!
What's the M stand for? If you can answer that, I'll answer your question.
Multitude of madness diarrhea. Nope. WTF. What the frost bluff?